This is my new computer. We're right now building it. The motherboard is already inside the casing. My dad's screwing stuff up. So now,
why is that
not screwing. It's like my dad's screwing because last time when I was doing the NVMe, what you can see in some past videos, like installing NVMe failed or success. There you can see how I lost.
Shake it so badly.
But like this, on that video, it has stabilization.
Yeah, but show the motherboard, not you're bubbling and shaking a hand.
Okay, so this is the motherboard. Right now we did, where was it? That screw, you see it right there, in the middle. And now we're doing another one. So please don't lose it. You're doing it like over the motherboard.
No, with my hand.
I'm closing my eyes because I'm so scared. I think you're shaking the memory, but it's fine. You guys said don't make it too tight on the video.
Okay, next screw please.
Next screw, so wait a second.
This time I'll film the higher shield. Looks okay.
Can you let me...
Everything fits nicely.
Okay, so now we got another screw, so here you go.
Here is NVMe. Was installed some 2 weeks ago. Did you upload that video?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Can you see a screw there?
Oh, no, there's nothing there.
Wait,
here.
Let me check.
There.
Let me check.
There's nothing there.
Oh boy, nothing indeed.
There's also nothing there. Here, there's one. Here. But also that one.
Very nice. Next one, please.
There's another one there. This is such a scary process.
Scary?
Yeah. Even if I'm not doing anything, it's scary. Wait, I have to check. Is it the right one? Yeah, it's the right one.
Yeah?
Yeah. There's something there because I see it. It's silver.
Hey, we forgot to dust this board. Now it's all in dust.
Doesn't matter.
What about now?
There's nothing. There's nothing.
So what? We leave it like that?
Wait, so we have to see. Hold the camera for a second. I have to check, so
Let's
wait.
at least test those other ones.
Nothing. They're all empty.
Hold it.
But there's a lot of screws, okay?
I'll test the ones which you didn't test.
No, wait, I'm gonna tell you it's the right one. Can you show me?
I know.
Yeah, it's the right one. But there's 4 of them. 4. It's not great. Recording. So we have to get the CPU cable, what's there in the middle of the screen, and then put it there. But the problem is, it's quite hard. Harder than you would think.
Once I put it, we're screwed.
Right?
Because I will never put it back. Remember? It's impossible to remove it.
Wait, don't put it yet, don't put it. Oh god, because we have to check it. Yeah, this way, now we have to check, is the cable good?
Man, I'm scared. Literally, you better think it over.
Wait, hold the phone.
I'm leaving you with here.
This is good, you can connect it because I already have a plan. Okay, so this can go here, attach here.
This is CPU power, by the way.
Okay, so I did it already. So it's like this. You can close the casing with this. Yeah, you will be able, because this panel's gonna go. So you will be able to close it. Wait, maybe not down here, but.
Oh boy. Some of those cables we probably have to cut with scissors.
Why?
Where will you put them?
wait, I know. I have ideas. So then I can just make this.
Okay, let's leave it like this. Could you please not pull? Okay, congratulations. You just messed up my work.
Oh my god. Let's put it back. We'll separate cable because I found this one out and yet another one.
Here or here?
To the black one here.
Okay.
Good.
Ooh. Sounds brutal. But why do we do it now?
Because
Before
those...
we connect the...
And now yet another one. This one. This one.
What does it do?
Audio, it connects here. But when I say audio, I mean the plugs for audio. They will work now.
I don't know which is up and down. Okay, I see. Why don't you have a torch? Don't you think it's
Maybe
brutal?
don't like make the motherboard like
Bent? What can I do?
because
Why
now
don't you turn
now
the
we
torch?
activated these ones and these ones. They all work now.
Yeah, you're showing them to me, but you don't show them on the camera. Okay. I presume we connected audio, as you say. And, what do you say, USB?
Yeah, USB 3.0.
Why do we connect baby cables before connecting...
And now come to the
Grandfather
inside.
tables.
You didn't see. So I removed these things, removers for the hard drive. I put all the cables what we don't need inside there, and then
Oh boy.
I put the
Mine
motherboard
disaster.
cable, the CPU cable. I put.
What about
here.
those?
Those ones I'm yet thinking about. I mean, I don't
Okay.
know what they do really.
So you know what? What do you mean you don't know? At least one is power.
It's written on them, but I don't
Some
know.
of them are fans, probably.
Yeah, like it's written like hood LED plus, and then you got like yourself
Let me
like.
see, let me see.
No, I
On
didn't.
camera.
I didn't read this one. Power.
Power. Yeah.
Yeah, I was
You
reading
didn't
this one. This one.
Reset.
I was reading this one.
You have a reset
I
button.
was
there.
reading this one.
And those are fans, probably. Listen, man. I need to go check what happened in my computer. Something connected. So we do it later.
This is the graphics card, and we're putting it inside my new computer. And this is quite. It's not a bad graphics card, but it's not the best.
What
And
about
that's
the
why-
torch? What about the torch?
But I'm planning to buy a new graphics card later, so this is like just test.
Okay. I have two options. 1 or 2.
You don't put it like that. You have to put it there, right? Let's put it. I think. I don't know about it because there's this connector here. That's I'm not sure about it.
It's very difficult to hold like that because it's very heavy. Yeah, like this or like that. Oh, of course we have to put it here because look, if I put it here, it's quarreling with this cable.
But that cable has to be there. You can't just disconnect it.
It's USB.
Yes, it's for the USB ports. I will not be.
So it's gonna be here, and if it goes down there, then we need to get rid of that plate. What it just dropped. Power cable for CPU. So that's for sure. Second plate, actually first on that side. You filming?
Yes, I'm filming. Okay, so
I'm putting the graphics card.
this one. I'm gonna be touching it so you don't forget. This
Don't
one.
forget. I'm not sure how you break them.
Don't just break it like
You do
something.
break it. Just throw this one away.
Yeah, just open it like that. You broke it? You know, I'm gonna keep that. Just put it in my pocket.
Hey, you're filming now. You're playing with the pocket.
No, I'm not playing with my pocket. I'm just putting the finger in my pocket. Those things automatically open when they're closed and you put the graphics card in because...
Not so yes, because we need to somehow...
I know what we have to do.
Okay, pause it for
You
a
have
moment.
to unscrew these.
Yeah, pause it for a moment. Did you
Okay,
start
yeah, I
the
started. I
video?
already started.
But did you pause or did you...
I paused them. I didn't start a new video. Pliers. I just said like that, like some like stupid boy. Well, Oh, it's out. Maybe don't let the whole thing like follow my motherboard. Just check. Is it like?
Good idea.
Just unscrew it a little bit, and then I'm gonna do the rest. You're actually damaging it, you know that?
I know. So my fault it's so strongly screwed.
It's screwed like to the power of 10. No, 100 of the power of 10. So like, oh yeah, I touched the whole thing. Okay, perfect. I'm right now holding my phone to record this. Oh god, I forgot I have this in my pocket. I literally kept that the whole time and I completely forgot about it. Oh god, it's coming out.
What's coming out? Perfect.
Did it? You have to actually screw it on, I think.
We need a screw.
Don't worry, I have screws.
You pause it.
So this is our professional box with screwdrivers in it. Wow, we're so professional. Then this
It's not very professional to do it over the floor. We can lose this screw, but we have many replacements.
So he's screwing the GPU, so if you can see that over there. It's very hard to get a good angle on that, but my legs are gonna break. Come on, let's screw it faster. Okay, so he screwed it. So GPU is in place. How I just said that, my throat almost died. Like now I'm like barely alive after doing that. You sure you put it correctly?
No, but if I did, we'll see in a second. Did you stop this video?
No, I didn't. It's fine already. It's right now recording.
But you said that you restarted it.
No, by accident.
Ah, that's what you did. Okay, now let's try to see if it works. Pause it.
Okay. Okay, so now we're...
Don't film, just give me a torch.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. So this is my new computer. We found out we're actually connecting the wrong cable to the CPU. Yeah, so that's the CPU cable and we're actually connecting something else. And, so, okay, wait, I'm just not focusing this. No, go under this, go under this.
Wait.
No.
Let's film.
This is so bad. No, don't do this now.
I'm sweating like hell, so be careful. You need to give me more space.
Okay, so I'm not gonna record, I think. No, I didn't do the cable management. This is a horrible.
You'll do it in a second.
No, but you're not disconnected now because the CPU is going for some cables and I won't be able to close the casing. You disconnected it? No.
So check it.
Yeah, it's totally wrong. It's totally wrong. You have to put it down. Okay. Now I have to fix it. Okay, hold the phone. And now we have to pull this out. So pull this out. Okay. And now look. Now this has to go under for these cables. And now then that doesn't matter.
You know what? You could have done it by just pulling all those under. Never mind.
But that would be too hard. It doesn't matter. Come on. It's fine.
Stop this alarm. Time to go to sleep, baby. Okay, hold it now.
Will we Will we do the motherboard or not?
Not yet.
Not today?
I'm asking, if you're asking if we do it today, we'll see if there's any problem. We'll try not to be stressed and in a hurry. Boom.
What just happened?
We just broke the room. Oh my god, it was so easy. If I knew it's so easy, I wouldn't struggle for hours.
And you see, that's why you always have to pay. Okay, so now flip the computer over. I have to do the cable management again, and then I'm gonna put the casing on.
Wait, so hold it. No, first motherboard power.
But wait, I'm scared about that cable management.
You made it hard now.
There's a recording issue. You know what's recording?
Any minute I'll drop sweat on this motherboard because I'm sweating like a dog or like a pig.
You don't have to make it perfect now. Let's go. What was that?
Why they also go in so easy and so hard to get out? Yeah, it's done.
Can you please not do that?
Okay.
No, you actually want some cable out here because that's gonna make my job like 1,000 times easier. So okay, so
It's a D-Day. 1.5 years ago, we started buying this PC. We bought the casing, which have been used for 1.5 years. For the first time, it's assembled as a complete unit. Now, we start the power supply. Can I do it?
yes.
Or you want to be...
Actually, no, I'm gonna do. Nothing happened. That's
Nothing happened.
no, that's normal. That's
Okay,
normal. That's
okay,
normal.
okay.
My motherboard doesn't.
I'm pressing... Look at this.
No, my computer. This is the finals. The CPU turns on. It was just loading.
We have a PC ready.
Yes. I have a gaming rig. Finally, I have a gaming rig. I just need to buy a new graphics card. It's gonna be a gaming rig. I can't believe it. It works. 1, 2, 3. I have my Windows. Yep, I have it. I have internet. Yes, I forgot to turn on the bells. Oh yeah, they're automatically connected to the Windows. I just need to update my computer now. So yeah, it's all good. So now I just update this. Don't turn on that. I don't want this to be turned on. It's horrible. And even on these times I'm not even awake. So
It's okay, now we can dance.
wait. Yeah.
But keep the rhythm, man, keep the rhythm.
I'm really so happy, but I have to check device updates. I'm sorry, I have to. This is important. Device updates. Logic, no, that I don't want.
I like it.
Okay, so 100% is already downloading and installing. Can I try some BG Drive?
Oh, I like it.
Let's open some Steam. Let's have a look. It's all working.
Now you'll not sleep, man. It's 1 o'clock and you'll not sleep.
Why bring that up? It's excitement. I'm just gonna start BG Drive just to check this will even work because. Okay, so Mock is there. This I didn't start this game, the horror game. I didn't yet download that. Let's try BG Drive. So